up. I just washed it, so we're gonna go buy some meat that my buddies are holding, and then we're gonna go by Randy's house. Randy bought a 67 Chevelle that's been sitting for quite some years, so we're gonna see if he'll start and mess with it. I'm gonna try to get all of the progress of that car, so that's pretty dope. It's a all original car, yeah. So the car's not all the way warm. It's at 134 right now. The coolant temp or water temp, whatever you want to call it. But I want you guys to hear how annoying this thing is. This thing is annoying, way too annoying to drive on the streets, but I try to drive it here and there, so we're going to show you guys here in a second. I won't make it to Randy's house. We got a little bit of ways to go. But we are on very low fuel.
For sure ready.
You got ice?
Yeah.
I don't want cold.
Well, it's gonna take a minute because that shit's hot.
So here it is. Just Randy's car. He sold his wagon because this is, I guess, what he had in high school, and he wrecked it. So he found one of these, got it shipped from, I don't even know where it's from, but let's see. North Dakota. God damn. Let's look under here. Oh yeah. It's got some, well, I guess it's all, no, it's got some rust. Some old school coilovers. How you been hitting the gym?
Dude, I needed the gym. Can't get a fucking wing nut off.
How long has it been sitting for?
1987.
87.
42,000 original miles.
You think it's gonna start?
Of course it's gonna start. It's a Chevy.
All right.
Oh yeah, we probably need a battery.
The battery tray is kind of gone. God, that's a big carburetor.
Well, you see that one barrel?
That thing's bigger than the one that was on my 110.
Extra horsepower right there. First of all, Louis, I'm not getting a mullet.
Why not?
I'd be fucking divorced before I ever got married.
Get a mullet and just drive around like this. Just keep the small block and a mullet.
Fuck's my Sharpie at? Ah, it's close enough. Gotta go get a fucking 9/16 wrench.
Louis, do you think it's gonna start?
I don't know. We'll see about it, brother.
We do like DC parts.
Brother. Huh?
Canned or not canned?
What?
I don't know. What'd you say?
DC parts, they be doing it like they have them pulled. Do you think the car's canned or not canned?
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, this
Yeah, that shit ain't
is
Shit, V6.
by the looks at this fucking KLX 110 carburetor. This is not cammed.
That's a CRF 50.
You should play the guessing game.
Well,
Who knows what this is
there's
for?
definitely a cam in there, but by the looks at that carb,
The fuck is that?
Like, that's exactly the response I was looking for.
Bro, what the fuck?
some tool that they just made.
Every tool has a fucking purpose.
That looks like it's been manufactured. It's like not homemade.
It's not homemade.
Yeah.
This is a special LS adjustment wrench.
LS.
LS everything. So that's what happens when you don't do oil changes for 30 years.
You don't need oil changes. Who does this?
Right.
So I'm on the phone with Austin. Can we go hear his turbo car? We want to hear cool noises.
Uh-huh.
Harden? Can go with it? It's a lot cooler than this.
Well, yeah, I like that.
Yeah, me too. I like to go. I
Yeah.
want to go hear that too.
We'll do that.
Yeah.
Well, that's it, bro.
Hey, you know you should send that to Julie, right? Not me, because she has final say in that shit.
Hey, well, you know,
Alright.
we want to hear
All right.
cool noises. Is he working on his car?
Yeah. No, he's working on some fucking shit for the wedding for us.
God damn it, that's not important. We want to hear the turbo car.
Well, that's why I said ask Julie, because it's for the wedding.
I got oil.
Yeah.
Little pressure line.
Oh, that shit just broke the wheels. Ain't that about a bitch?
Oh.
Now I gotta explain to him how I broke his tool.
You got a welder, don't you?
I also got a drill.
What an idiot.
It's probably not made for impact.
Hey, watch your mouth.
It's probably not made for pa 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 pa.
For the what?
For the pa 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 pa.
He did say he does his by hand.
I'm
I
pretty
just figured power tools were easier.
Well,
Oh, man.
Now you own one. Now you own a tool.
Yeah, there's a lot of fucking coolant in there too. Look.
I'm sure this shit started before.
So we got oil to the fucking up top, huh?
Radiator cap, brand new. Brand new in 67.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at all that oil right there.
Pump work.
What you need a primer for? It's been primed in 67. Why is it stopping there for a while?
Probably has something.
Oh, there you go.
okay.
Oh, shit.
Put that motherfucker in second. There you go.
There we go. How much oil pressure do you think you got right now? Let's check the gauge, Louis.
I think there is an aftermarket gauge in there.
Yeah,
Let's see.
No, what?
40.
Keep going. That's hella funny. This gauge is hella old. I think we're good. Look at the old oil change receipts.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna drive anytime soon if you do the Flintstone swap.
Yeah. Some nice exhaust you got going there.
It's that Flintstone mod.
You need to find a little starter. You need to get a battery. There's something on the dash. Not even good. I'll be surprised these fucking wires are any good. Nothing?
Oh.
I'm not surprised.
You wanna hear
I wanted to see if it'll fucking spin, because I fucking can't.
Yes, this looks like it's from like 67.
Straight out the dealership.
Straight out the showroom floor. Oh. Put that back here.
Something heavy. Oh! Hold on. This one over here is all fucked up. Give her a little whirl.
Tetanus shot in here.
Tap it.
That shit seized.
So always pull the plugs and see what happens.
You should grab a wrench and
Started
fucking
working.
turn it.
It sounds like it's hidden.
It's hidden. It's just, I think it is fucking. It might be seized.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's it. Well, no, 34 years.
I let my LS sit for like a week, it barely turns on.
I gotta let my shit sit for a day if it still won't start.
I know what you're looking at there.
I'm trying to fucking get in here.
When it broke.
I try to unpark it. No, I'm gonna go with it's probably seized because the crank bolt is snapped off in there.
I'm gonna go with it's locked up.
And it's sat since when? 87?
87.
So,
Yeah, let's swap the world.
when is it gonna get worked on again? Next year?
Yeah.
Sometime.
Next year if we're lucky.
Oh shit. This thing got a blown light bulb. No,
It's
sir.
Sunday.
He's clean.
Park it right here. It got D1X inside the motherfucker. I blew it out the first time.
A D1X?
I had a fucking radio this big, right?
Yeah.
And
Oh,
all that hot air went inside it. That motherfucker was cooking.
So we're back home. Took this thing out for a drive today. Felt good driving on the streets again. Randy's car did not start, so guess we think the motor seized because the crank bolt is broken in there. So possibly they tried turning the crank bolt and it broke off, you know. And the starter's not turning it over, so we're not even gonna waste our times with that. And we're just gonna wait for him to be ready to start working on it. Probably have work parties at his house and film all of it. But until then, stay tuned and see what else we get into.